What's up? Got the YEEZY HT-01, the YEEZY hat. The independent YEEZY hat. I had the flame hat before, and it fit way too small, so I'm praying that this actually fits me. Just looking at it in the bag, it appears to be a big enough size for my head. And like I will wear like an extra large, extra large in hat sizes, or wear something that is very conformative so that it has plenty of like stretch and looseness to it. And yeah, I've been really excited for this. This is something that I could see myself wearing daily. I probably wouldn't like skateboard in it or do anything really active in it, but yeah, just as a styling piece, I cannot wait to wear this, praying that it actually fits. So let's go ahead and unbag this. Would have been nice if it came in its own little hat bag, but I mean, not everything can be Gucci, so it seems to be the theme of some YEEZY stuff that it comes in a little bag for itself. So there is an attempt at putting some structure in there for packaging's sake. I'm going to take that out. We see the tag right here, and it says HT-01, one size, 100% cotton, made in China, dry clean only, and your RN number. It is a very thick and soft cotton. And just looking at this opening right here, do I have my tape measure? I gotta find my measuring tape. I will be right back. All right, I got my tape measure. So I'm gonna measure the circumference of it just right out of the bag, or at least to my best ability, because I mean, it's not the straightforward to just measure. So what we got, what we got, what we got. This is probably a dumb idea. Let's see. Okay. Like 22 circumference for the hat out the box. So maybe more on the medium side and not the large side. So I'm going to go ahead and put this thing on. But oh yeah, I didn't even give out a close up. Hold on. Here's a close up with some good lighting. So yeah, pretty thick, very average kind of pattern here. Nothing really stands out from other hats, I would say. Here's an inside out. They do have some thing going on right here with the materials, but it's really nice. It looks exactly like a Rick Owens hat that I saw on their site for like $300. All right, so I'm gonna undo it and put them on. Oh my goodness. I am so happy. Okay, this actually fits my head. What the heck? I'm really surprised because the last YEEZY hat I've had was the flame hat, and the flame hat was too small and I couldn't wear it whatsoever. But this fits my big head perfectly. Like, absolutely perfectly, effortlessly. This is a perfect fit, and I haven't even cut my hair yet. So I'm actually growing my hair out a ton, and this thing fits me. I'm so happy, y'all. Y'all have no idea. I wanted this to fit so bad. And it looks so good. It's a good length on the lip, too. Oh, man, kind of squared off a little bit, but yeah, it's pretty squared off. So kind of like an army look with it. And the brown is like really nice. I think the brown goes well with my skin complexion and should contrast well with whatever I wear. This is beautiful. I love it. It fits so nice. It feels really soft too. And yeah, this is me with my hair grown out too. So I mean, it's gonna fit good, like in any of my cases. So I'm really happy that this fits, because I'm telling y'all, like not a lot of hats fit me because of how big my head is, and especially if I want to grow my hair out a little bit more, a lot of stuff just fits really tight. I will have to be careful with wearing this out in the heat because of sweat and stuff, and I know when you wash hats they can shrink down a lot. So I'll definitely be careful with the washing process and just like keeping these in a good condition. But I will be wearing this thing out a lot, and yeah, I'm just super happy that I finally got some YEEZY hat headwear that fits me. So this is really sweet. If they come out with more colorways, I'm going to buy them all because yeah, like I said, y'all, it's very rare that I find a hat that fits me properly. But yeah, here's a little spin around. Got the 100% Yeezy outfit on. We're just waiting on the shoes to come in. And yeah, this is sweet. I'm really happy. Okay, another pretty simple, pretty basic review. I mean, it's a freaking hat that looks like every other hat. How much did I pay for this anyway? Like August 9th order. It's January the 6th when I got this, no notification. And yeah, 20 bucks. So I'm really happy. I'm gonna wear this all day today. Anyway, thank you all for watching as always, and more soon.